Wait, don't scroll. Because in the next 3 minutes, I'm about to show you 5 free AI tools in 2025 that are so powerful, you'll feel like you're cheating at life. These tools can save hours of work, make your assignments easy, and even help you earn money online. Trust me, tool number 3 will make your jaw drop. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Number 1, the legend itself, ChatGPT. Need a 2,000-word essay in minutes? Study notes before exams, tics, or maybe a perfect email in seconds? So this tool is like having a free personal genius working for you 24/7. Next up, Canva AI. Forget ugly slides and boring resumes. Just type what you need and Canva AI designs it in seconds. Presentations, thumbnails, Instagram posts all look like they were made by a pro designer. Zero skills, zero effort. Just pure magic. Block, mock, and standard is QuillBot. Paste any boring assignment, essay, or email, and QuillBot rewrites it into perfect English instantly. No plagiarism, no mistakes, no stress. Teachers hate it, but students absolutely love it. Block HR. Tool number 4, Notion AI. Block number 4, Notion AI. Think of it as your personal study buddy. Book 5. It organizes your notes, makes to-do lists, and even turns a 50-page PDF into a 5-line summary. Imagine saving hours every single day, all for free. 6. Tool number 5, Grammarly. And finally, Grammarly doesn't just fix grammar. It makes you sound smarter, more professional, and 100% confident. Whether it's emails, essays, or YouTube scripts, Grammarly has your back. 100%. So there you have it. 5 free AI tools in 2025 that will literally change your life. Which one shocked you the most? Comment below and listen carefully. My next video will show you 3 secret AI tools that can actually make you money online, even while you sleep. Hit subscribe now because you don't want to miss it.